In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money online with AI. We'll walk through practical ways to start earning. Using accessible tools and clear workflows you can follow right away. Begin with an AI content creation business. Use AI to draft TikTok videos and YouTube Shorts ideas, write blog posts and captions, generate AI voiceovers, and design thumbnails. Tools like ChatGPT for scripting, Canva for graphics, CapCut for editing, and Google's Whisk AI for creative assistance can speed everything up. Pick a niche, batch produce content to stay consistent, and keep your branding cohesive so your audience recognizes you anywhere. Next, sell digital products. Create Canva templates, high-quality AI prompts, ebooks, Notion templates, planners, and social media packs. Upload them to platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. Strong mockups, clear usage licenses, and keyword-rich descriptions help your listings stand out. Update products based on buyer feedback to improve conversions over time. Offer freelance services powered by AI as a virtual assistant, copywriter, video editor, graphic designer, or social media manager. You can deliver faster while maintaining quality. Find clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and onlinejobs.ph. Build a simple portfolio with before and after samples, define clear deliverables, and set turnaround times you can consistently meet. Create a faceless YouTube channel. Let AI help with scripts, voiceovers, images, editing, and captions. Monetize through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and your own digital products. Focus on repeatable formats like listicles or tutorials, and follow platform policies to stay eligible for monetization. Leverage affiliate marketing with AI. Promote products on TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, and blogs. Join programs like TikTok Shop Affiliate, Amazon Associates, or the Shopee Affiliate Program. Always disclose affiliate relationships. Write value-first content and use AI to repurpose one message across multiple platforms. Sell AI-generated art and designs. Produce posters, wallpapers, t-shirt graphics, stickers, and printable art. Then sell on Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. Use original prompts, upscale your images for print quality, and research trending niches to guide your catalog. Build AI automation services for businesses. High-value automations include AI chatbots, automated emails, AI-assisted customer support, and content scheduling systems. Tools like Zapier, Make, and Notion. AI can connect workflows end to end. Start with one process, document results, and price based on the value you create. To succeed faster, focus on one income stream first, post consistently, learn basic marketing, build an audience, use AI to save time rather than spam content, and reinvest early profits into better tools. Beginner-friendly paths include becoming an AI TikTok creator, Pinterest affiliate marketer, faceless YouTube channel owner, AI ebook seller, Canva template creator, or a freelance VA using AI tools. Helpful resources to explore include OpenAI's ChatGPT, Canva AI tools, Google AI tools, and the Fiverr freelance marketplace. Now pick one path, start small, and iterate as you go.